Hey y'all, I'm in my practice what I preach season, and I ordered from Amazon a trash picker, some garbage bags, some gloves, because it's one thing about, and I got so much to do today, and I had little sleep, but it's so much to say, oh, this and that, and complain about this and that, and don't practice what you preach. Yeah, so I'm tired of seeing all this trash being thrown around. Dang, whew, be thrown around here like that. So I have to, if the wind let me be great, I'm going to practice what I preach while I walk. You know, and I know some people out here are going to be like, oh, why you have to show it on video? Because y'all always say stuff like that. Maybe it can help lead by example. It can help the next person do the right thing, because I didn't see this on video, but I see other people doing it in their area, just picking up trash. So I'm killing two birds with one stone. I'm exercising and I'm picking up trash at the same time. I'm not gonna go in nobody's area, but yeah. So it's doing everything, and I'm practicing what I'm preaching. I'm not just hooting and hollering, saying people should do this and people should do that, when God gave me two hands to do it too. But how you doing today? I had very little sleep. My sleeping pattern is off. I don't know, it's my medication getting completely out my system. But I was up like an owl. I had the TV off, everything off. And I was like just up, and then I turned the TV back on. I did everything. But I was just like, woo, woo, woo. Alert up. Not like tired up. Alert up. But right now, well, my son woke me up because he's going to his military thing today. My baby. So when he woke me up, and I'm like preparing a checklist, like you got this, you got that, you got this, and I got that. I just stayed up after that. I got so much stuff to do. So, hey, this is gonna be my TikTok time, or my social media time right here. I just need to, since I'm off the ADD medication, I need to get more organized. I couldn't pick that up, so hey, it is what it is. I bought gloves and all though. So imagine if everybody do this to their neighborhood. The world would be a better place. But no, I know most neighborhoods don't need it. Not most. A lot of neighborhoods don't need it. But they keep their area clean. Like spick and span clean. But another reason why I do it is, sometimes people go through depression. And when you go through depression, you cannot see when things are dirty. That's one thing you can't. I'm telling you, it's crazy. You'll look right past it. You can't see the dirt on the ceiling fan. You can't see the dirt on the floor because you're in your depression. So, I can't judge nobody and say that, you know, why they not doing this? Because people could be going through depression. But I'm 40 years old now, and yeah, I got to practice what I preach. That's the era I'm in. Practice what I preach era. That comes down to things that I try to help people out with that I know and I don't do. And people look at me and say, how come you're not doing it? You telling me about it. You should be doing it. Yeah, you're right. I don't do it because I'm lazy. And I'm just let God steer me. That's why. But yeah. So who feel me on this? You feel me or you don't? Because we can always point the finger of, oh, they should be doing this and they should be doing that. But I think God placed that on our hearts for us to do. Just like the other day when I was waiting on my car to get service, and this paper keep on like flying towards me. The wind keeps blowing that paper towards me. I didn't put that paper on the ground, but I felt like God was telling me to pick that paper up. God worked like that. You know, if we just talk. You know, if we talk or action. That's the thing about faith, too. Like, when you say, He's not going to just give you for your works. Yeah, your works, you did this, you did that. But did you have the faith when you were supposed to have the faith? You know, did you cry when I told you to, hey, I got it? Because faith and obedience outbeat works. Anybody can put in the work. And that's, you know, that's the same with our lives. You ever met anybody that, like, you know, they can do something bad to you, but they try to make it up by giving you gifts and stuff. And it's like, no, it's the whole principle of the whole thing. It's not about the works. It's about the faith. It's about the integrity. It's about the trust. It's about all of that. It's about the bond. It's about the things that can't be monetized. Does that make sense? Well, hopefully, you know, these kids can see this and they can start putting their stuff in the garbage. Because the reason why kids litter is because they see their parents litter. And they weren't taught to not do it. So, I hope I'm just making an example. And practicing what I'm preaching. Hello. Practicing what I'm preaching, because I don't want to be that type to not do it. And I try to tell people this. And sometimes, you know what I don't get? It's like when I talk like this at this age, people think they have some kind of thing in their head. They think you all that. What happened to you? I changed. Changed to be a better person. And changing to be a better person is doing this. Practicing what you preach. But yeah, hope this helps somebody. It's helping me.